As winter winds down and the weather warms up, your home faces an often overlooked threat: water damage, from melting ice and snow, damaged pipes, or other sources. I'm Veronica Belmont, coming to you from snowy Louisville, Kentucky, home of the CNET Smart Home. And today I have a special guest, Pat Gee, Senior Vice President of Claim at Travelers Insurance. Pat is here with us to share common water problems homeowners often face and to give us some tips to help avoid or minimize that damage. We'll then show you a few smart devices that may help prevent water from becoming a costly disaster. Home water damage is a problem all year, and when the winter thaws out, water damage is on homeowners' minds. What do we need to watch out for?
Our data shows that water damage is responsible for about 35% of all property insurance claims. In fact, water is 10 times more likely to damage a home than fire. So during those colder months, water damage may start with a burst pipe or seepage caused by ice dams on the roof. Also, melting snow outside can lead to water inside the house. And throughout the year, leaky baseboard heating, failed water heaters, washing machine hoses, and air conditioning drains are all typical causes of water damage.
What are some tips that can help homeowners help themselves?
Well, there are a few basic actions that can really pay off in the long run. First, keep gutters clean. Removing leaves and other debris from gutters in the fall will make a big difference when snow melt and rainwater in the spring is allowed to drain away from your house. You'd be surprised at how many people don't know how to shut off the water in their home.
I'm embarrassed to say I have no idea how to do that.
Everybody should know where the main water shutoff valve is located so they can quickly stop the flow of water if a pipe or water line bursts. And finally, be aware of potential leaks around plumbing fixtures and appliances. If you see any water where it shouldn't be, have a professional come in and take a look. Catching these kinds of leaks early will really help prevent damage later.
Great advice, Pat. Thank you so much. Now, let's see some new smart home technologies that may actually help you look out for and minimize water damage in your home. First, let's take a look at a smart water sensor. When set up properly, smart water sensors can detect a leak and send an alert to your smartphone. This particular sensor by Fibaro also detects and alerts you of a rapid drop in temperature that could result in frozen or burst pipes. Fibaro's unique design also allows it to be placed on an uneven surface like old cement or a wooden floor.
Some great places to put water sensors: near bathroom fixtures, kitchen and laundry area appliances, hot water tanks, and along basement walls. And if these sensors are connected to an automatic water shutoff valve, you can prevent water damage whenever it might happen, even when you're away.
That's exactly right, and leads me to my next device, a connected water shutoff valve. When a connected shutoff valve is synced correctly with a smart water sensor, it will automatically shut off to stop the flow of water throughout the home when a leak or flood is detected. This particular device by Fortress Z is a professional-grade water valve with a motorized ball shutoff that can be triggered when a compatible water sensor detects a leak. This valve also needs to be connected to a home automation system like Samsung SmartThings to work properly. The valve installs directly into your home's main water supply, so setup by a professional certified plumber is required. So, water sensors and an automatic shutoff valve can help prevent a leak from becoming a flood. But when it comes to detecting potentially hazardous moisture levels in your home's atmosphere, we turn to a smart humidity sensor. These devices can be placed in areas of the home that are vulnerable to seepage or a small leak that a water detector might not immediately sense. This particular sensor by Samsung SmartThings can be attached to a wall or placed on a floor where it will monitor the temperature and humidity level of any room in which it's placed. If the humidity reaches an undesirable level, the sensor will send you an alert so you can evaluate the area and hopefully prevent potential damage. And there we have it. When installed and monitored properly, these connected devices may help reduce homeowner headaches around water damage. For more smart ideas for ways to keep you and yours safe, visit the URL on your screen.